right, so now as you can see, we have the third page for the footer, which is the contact us page. So in this one, what we will do is we'll create a form first, then we'll connect it to a page, and then also we will need to create a kind of like a really simple automation where once they fill out the form, which is name, email, and their message, like a contact form, right? They want to send you a message. You're going to receive an email with the contact information and what they were actually asking, like their inquiry, and yeah, and then connect this and the other two pages to the footer to kind of tie it all together. So now the first thing we want to do is we want to go to sites. We want to drag my face here, and then we're going to go to forms builder. As we are here, we can add a form, start from scratch. Okay, so this is always the default form that it gives us. So obviously we want to name it first. Contact form. Let's do, yeah, contact form is fine. So the information, you can ask all kinds of things, right? But basically we just need 3. First name. You don't need the last name. We can ask later if it's vital. Phone number, not really. Maybe some cases we do if there's like it requires a phone call back from you. I don't know, it's maybe like a sales call or whatever, or like something that would require a phone number basically. But if not, take it out, and this thing as well. And the third thing that's needed is a message field. So we need to add another one. Should be here, add form element. And let's try to find whether there's a message field, because I don't think there is. All right, so there's none of that. So what we need to do is we need to create a custom field, which would be, let's just do a new one, add custom fields, and that will be the message, right? So multi-line, something like this. And let's click next. We're going to name it message form. Contact like this, and I think the rest will be fine. Let's go with save. And now once we have it, we can go on and get it, which is here at the bottom. For whatever reason, it's hidden. So I'm just going to zoom out a little bit. Here you can see here it's at the bottom. I zoomed out a little bit. Now I'll just drag it in. So now they can fill in with their whatever the message is, like a normal field that you would do. And as for the button, obviously the color and all that stuff. So there's a couple things we need to do here. So the button, submit message, I guess. The button color can be changed and all that stuff over here, right? The font size. And also, if we go to settings, we're going to make it really simple. We are going to go to like the settings here and the options, and we're going to set it up. So sometimes like remember the previous form we did for the community sign up, it took them to a page. In this case, we're going to make it simple, even simpler than that. We're not going to create a thank you page. It's just going to be message. And thank you for taking the time to complete this form. Get back to you as soon as possible. Right, so that's going to be, they're going to submit it and the message will pop up right there, and then they can close the page or do whatever, right? So there's even no thank you page. Even it's not needed basically. Let's save it, and I guess, yeah, let's make the first name field required and save, and we're going to connect this form to the actual page. So let's go to sites, let's go to funnels, let's go back to the footer pages one. And we're going to go in the third one, contact us. We're going to create one. There's nothing has been done to it. This one blank. And as per usual, full width, one column, add element, and it's going to be a form. Form. Let's click on it. There we go. Select the form. What was the name? Something contact, right? Contact form. So naming it properly is a vital thing once you have like 50 of them. So just kind of the keywords, even if it's a long one, it's easier to search. So this is kind of it. Let's do this, and then we're going to create the workflow, and then we're going to actually test everything out. So let's publish it for now. We're going to come back to the actual page later when we're going to be testing it out. Let's go back and let's create the workflow. There we go. Let's go to workflows, and let's create a new one. It's going to be fairly simple. We're going to start it from scratch. So essentially it's going to be the trigger will be a specific form was filled out. So that's what triggers the action. Form submitted, right? Add filters, which form? Same as before. Form is contact form. Save trigger. And once they fill it out, it's going to be a notification that will come to your email. So let's click, that's going to be the action. So send internal notification, which means not to them, but to us, to whoever is supposed to receive these. The owner, or maybe like a specific team member is supposed to receive, like an admin is supposed to receive all of these notifications. So it's going to be an email. That's not important. User type, that's going to be all users. Custom email. Unless you have like team members that are assigned to this, you can just do custom email. For this one, for now, I'm just going to do my own email just so I can test it out. Subject, new contact form submit. Templates, no templates. So basically it's hey, somebody's filled out the contact form. Make sure to reach out to them, respond to them. And we're going to put in the information, name, email, message, right? And we're going to put in actually what the name and email and message is. It's basically going to generate it. So it's going to be under custom values. If you click on it, it's going to be contact, first name, right? That's here. Email is going to be under custom values, contact, and email. And here it's going to be message, should be a custom field at the bottom under contacts as well. Custom fields. What was it? Contact something. Contact us. Was it? I think it was contact us email, if I remember correctly. We'll try it out and we'll see. I have a short memory. All right, so that's pretty much it. Let's save the action. Now we have it created. We can publish it and we can save it. All right, let's go back and let's go to the page that has the form. Let's go test it out. Footer pages, contact us. I just don't remember the link. That's why I had to go there. View page. Let's go to Funneltopia. This is a test message, right? Just so we can see whether it shows up in the email. The weird brackets and all that gets all auto-generated, hopefully. So yeah, let's submit the message. Here you can see the custom message pops out. Thank you for taking the time, blah, blah, blah. So that's what I wrote out as well, right? On the right side, remember? So this is like the simplest version of it. But yeah, let's go check the email and see whether I received the notification to the whatever the email was set up as a recipient, which was my email in this case. And there we go. It came in right away. And let's click on it. Message. So we need to go and redo this. Let's go quickly fix it. Let's go back to workflows. Okay, now we're back in the workflows. Let's click on internal notification. I think I put in the wrong contact us email. I think I put in the wrong custom field contact. Let's scroll all the way down. Custom fields. I think it was, let me double check. Message contact form. Yeah, I think it was the wrong one. Let's type in contact. Yeah, I think I put in this one. I should have put in that one. Let's double check. I think it should be good now. Let's click on it. Let's save. Okay, now let's go try it out again. Third test message. Submit message. So now I should go back to my email and check whether it works now. Yep, there we go. It went through now. Another test message, email, name. Somebody filled out the contact form, right? This is all the stuff we wrote out. And these are like the custom fields that we added, or not the custom fields, but like whatever you call the values. Yeah, this should be it. So in the next video, I'm going to show you quickly how to connect the footer, all the links and all that stuff, right? So I'll see you there.